Today, I'm diving into the incredible world of chayote. You might know it as a fascinating green veggie that's technically a fruit. With its wrinkled exterior, soft texture, and crisp flavor, chayote fits seamlessly into a variety of dishes. From Asian stir-fries to Latin American stews, this culinary gem is both versatile and delicious. But chayote is more than just a tasty addition to your meals. It's packed with nutrients that can boost your health in many ways. Let's break down its nutritional profile. First up, vitamin C. This immune-boosting vitamin is essential for collagen production and skin health. Then we have potassium, which regulates blood pressure and supports heart health. And don't forget folate, crucial for cell division and especially important for pregnant women. Plus, the high fiber content aids digestion and promotes fullness, making it great for weight management. Historically, chayote has been a staple in traditional medicine. Its anti-inflammatory effects have been used in poultices to reduce swelling and pain, especially for arthritis. Its natural diuretic properties support kidney function and reduce fluid retention. And with a low glycemic index, it's even been used to help manage diabetes. Modern research is beginning to back these traditional uses. Studies show chayote extracts have significant anti-inflammatory properties, beneficial for chronic conditions. And clinical trials indicate that compounds in chayote can positively influence blood sugar levels. As research continues, we'll likely uncover even more benefits of this humble vegetable. So how can you incorporate chayote into your daily diet? Here are some simple ideas. For a quick side dish, slice chayote into thin strips and saute with minced garlic in olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Or try a refreshing chayote salad with bell peppers, onion, lime juice, and cilantro. If you're in the mood for something warm, make a chayote soup by sautéing onions and garlic, adding chopped chayote and vegetable broth, and blending it all up for a creamy texture. As you explore the fantastic flavors and health benefits of chayote, consider adding it to your meal plans. Whether it's in a nutritious salad, a warm soup, or a quick sautéed side, chayote offers culinary versatility and health-promoting properties. Take a leap into the world of chayote and enhance your cooking and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.